Welcome. You may not realize it yet, but you're already part of an ecosystem. Every day you interact with systems, biological, digital, and social, that are constantly adapting, shifting, and evolving. The difference between thriving and struggling in these systems comes down to one thing: how quickly you can adapt. In this introduction, we will explore how the acceleration in technology has continued to gather momentum. The goal is to help you understand not only how these systems connect, but also how you can position yourself to adapt and flow with change instead of fighting against it. Here's the good news. Once you grasp these concepts, you'll begin to see opportunities everywhere. You'll see how new technologies can plug into each other, how systems can coexist, and how you can use this knowledge to become more relevant and more effective, starting today. So let's begin the journey. By the end of this training, you won't just understand digital ecosystems. You'll know how to step into them, leverage them, and grow within them. And it starts right now. We will look at the implications of some of the newest technologies and examine the basics of system structure that enables business agility and the ability to evolve your business more intentionally. History shows us that human progress was once slow and steady. For centuries, advances came in gradual steps, but then something changed. Each new breakthrough began to build on the last, shrinking the time between revolutions. What took 1,000 years during the Middle Ages took just a few decades in the Industrial Age. This is what futurist Ray Kurzweil calls the law of accelerating returns. Technology doesn't grow in a straight line, it grows exponentially. Think about it. From 1000 to 1500, our biggest advances were in agricultural tools and trade. By 1800, the steam engine transformed the world. By 1900, there was electricity. Then came automobiles and mass production. And then we conquered the air. This began to shrink the distance and foster global collaboration. And today, in just the last 2 decades, AI, robotics, cloud, biotech, quantum computing. Notice the curve. It's no longer gradual. We're standing at the knee of the curve, where progress stops feeling linear and starts feeling overwhelming. In this free introduction to our course, the main thing we want people to consider is that innovation is not slowing down. In fact, it is accelerating at breakneck speed. Adoption of new technology is not just encouraged, it is imperative. What we have begun to realize is that the only sustainable competitive advantage is adaptivity. This is why the world feels like it's moving faster than ever. The distance between innovation and disruption has collapsed. The message is clear. We are no longer spectators of change. We are right in the middle of it. And the choices we make today will determine whether we lead the future or get left behind by it. The Prairies Proptech Association is a not-for-profit made up of volunteers who want to assist with digital transformation and aid in AI and technological adoption to enhance your business viability. We offer free consultation and can set up essential fundamentals to keep you competitive. As technology accelerates, one critical decision stands before every organization. Do we live inside a walled garden, or do we embrace connectivity? A walled garden is a closed system. It's controlled, curated, and often feels safe. But it comes at a cost. Limited flexibility, dependency on a single platform, and barriers to innovation. The evidence is clear. In a world of accelerating change, closed systems may protect you for a moment, but open, connected systems position you to thrive and become more agile. This is an introductory overview of the course. In Lesson 1, we will dive deeper into platform structure, blockchain, and design implications. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you next time.